Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to archive your post on Instagram. Once we go through that, I'll show you how you can view the archived post and then unarchive any of your posts on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our phone and then go to your profile by selecting the little person icon in the bottom right. So once you do that, you'll be on your Instagram profile page. From here, we need to just look through our post, find a post that we want to archive. So I'll select this one right here. And once you're on your post that you want to archive, select the three dots in the top right, and then select Archive. So as you can see, it shows loading. It might take a second. And then as you can see, it's removed from my Instagram profile. Now from my Instagram profile, to view any archive post, all I need to do is select the little clock icon in the top right, and then make sure this drop down at the top is selected for Post Archive. You can also see stories that have been archived, but you want to make sure that Post Archive is selected. So in here, these are the posts that have been archived. If I want to unarchive any of these posts, all I need to do is select it. And then in the top right, select the three little dots and then go to Show on Profile. So it might take a second to load. As you can see, it's no longer showing up in my archive post. Now when I go back to my Instagram profile, refresh the profile, you can see that the post is now on my Instagram profile. So that's how you archive posts on Instagram and then unarchive them. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.